If you want your website to look more high-end, this is the fastest way to do it. And it's not what most people focus on. It's not your logo, it's not your colors, it's contrast. Most websites feel flat. Everything is the same size, the same weight, the same visual importance, so nothing stands out. And when nothing stands out, nothing gets noticed. Here's the shift. A high-end website uses contrast intentionally, clear difference between headings and body text, space between sections, strong focal points. It tells your eye where to look, without effort. That's what makes it feel elevated. The second part is spacing. This is one of the fastest upgrades you can make. Most sites are too tight, too much text, too little room. When you add space, everything becomes clearer, and clarity feels premium. The third is simplification. A lot of websites try to do too much, too many sections, too many messages, but high-end websites are selective. They show less, but they show it better. That's what creates impact. These are small changes, but they change how your website feels immediately, and that feeling is what people react to. Not the effort you put in, not how long you spent building it, just the experience. This is also why starting from the right foundation makes everything easier. A well-designed template already includes contrast, spacing, and structure. You're not trying to fix it after the fact. You're starting with something that works. That's exactly how our luxury Show It website templates are designed. They're built to feel intentional and high-end from the start. And if you don't want to do it yourself, we also offer white glove website customization. We take one of our templates and build your entire site for you, so everything feels aligned from the beginning. If your website doesn't feel high-end yet, don't change everything. Start with contrast. That's the fastest upgrade you can make.